The fly-in, fly-outers, yeah, that's always good. The door knockers that we have around the place is that cheap and nasty, goes on your roof, any problems, try and call them, no answer, they fold it up or whatever the case is. I couldn't sleep at night by doing that. It's got to be quality. They cut every possible corner you can think of is the only way how they can do it. A lot of times there's trying to use a string inverter where they should be optimising the system. And you see that quite a lot on different aspects of the roof, especially on a lot of these new houses with the way the designs are now. They've got so many ridges and small parts of the roof. The only way how you can get a good yield out of your system is to put it on optimizer, so you can put them on different faces of the roof. The poor man pays twice for everything. If it goes cheap, you're going to be replacing it. So you might as well spend a few extra bucks to start with and put a good system on, and you're not going to be coming back in less than 10 years probably to replace what you just put on. The cheap and nasty is really bad for the environment. It ends up in landfill. The only thing that we can really reclaim off them so far is the aluminium frame. The rest of it goes into landfill. So all these panels that are going to be coming off are going to add to the problem that we already have. It's very, very important to get the right guy to do your installation. You're saving yourself money, you're also saving the environment because it's less landfill, and at the end of the day you're getting a far better return on your investment. Your return on your investment is roughly 3.5 years. Invest in good quality solar systems, you save money, really help to save the environment.